Happy Saturday, everybody. Happy October the 18th. I'm back. Even though I ain't never went nowhere. Um, I wanna talk. Oh y'all, I got a new thing I'm doing on my live. And it's called Pillow Talk. And I be doing this every Friday. I don't know if I'm gonna do it I don't know if I'm gonna do it at night or in the daytime. I might just do it in the daytime because at night I ain't gonna feel like doing it. I ain't gonna feel like picking up my phone, my computer, or nothing. But I'm gonna definitely be doing it. Okay? Okay. So like I said, happy Saturday. Um, I'm reacting to DDG violating Holly's court orders. Um, I knew this was coming up. I knew this. I knew that DDG couldn't really keep his mouth shut because it's just really it's just really not in him to do so. And when I say that, like I told y'all before, he made a song, and the name of the song is called 17 More Years. And who he was talking about in that song was Halle and Halo, where they got 17 more years together because they got a child together. Now, he don't supposed to be seeing none of this in a song. He don't supposed to be seeing none of this on stream. He don't supposed to be doing nothing. But because DDG is DDG, he don't know how to hold his mouth. DDG feels that DDG is feel like he's above the law. I'm gonna feel like that. I'm gonna put it like that. When you're not above the law, you're not. And I don't know if DDG friends are telling him this or DDG friends are getting him saying, I don't think you should say this. I don't think you should say that. I don't, that's why I said what I said. I don't even think his own mama is holding him accountable for what he's doing. Because if you were holding your son accountable, you would tell your son not to do certain things because you already know she got a restraining order on you. You already know you don't supposed to do this. But she's not doing he's not doing that. I'm sorry, y'all, that was my TV. He's not doing that. He's doing the opposite of what he's supposed to do. You understand what I'm saying, y'all? And I don't really think it's cool for Holly, and I don't think it's fair for Holly. I think it's very disrespectful on her part because here she is, she's buying by the law. She ain't posted Halo. She ain't did none of this. But here you are. You're sitting over here and you making songs about Holly, expressing your love about Holly, which I don't see nothing wrong with it, but you know you don't supposed to be doing it. That's my problem. I don't see nothing wrong with it, but you know you don't supposed to be doing it. That's the issue where I'm having. You don't supposed to be talking about Holly. That's the issue. And I don't really think you're getting it. You can get yourself in a whole bunch of trouble, you know. And like I said, I had did a video about this. I don't know if y'all seen I did it. I think I did it for Monday. I think I'm not sure. Or maybe Tuesday. I don't know. Uh where this is gonna be a straight win for Holly. Because he don't know how to keep his mouth shut. He just don't know. Because if you knew how to keep your mouth shut, then you'll stop what you're doing. But you don't know how to keep your mouth shut. because of all the things. So, I really do feel sorry for him. And I don't know where he gonna be at right now. But wherever he at, I hope I said it once before, and I'm gonna say it again. DDG needs some therapy. I always said it, and I'm gonna say it again. DDG needs some therapy because there's no way that you should be continuing to act the way you act. So, yeah, I think DDG needs some therapy, and I think that mama of his and the sister as well needs to tell him. I mean, she told him he toxic, but at the same time, she said you say I'm toxic in a relationship, and I don't know if she said he toxic when it comes to him. Girl, you need to tell him the truth. Quit trying to be so scary and tell him he's toxic. Period. That's just it. You're toxic. You're toxic because you're doing the opposite. What what you're doing the opposite on what um you're doing the opposite on what the court orders was telling you not to do. So yeah. Okay, y'all. That's all I really had to say. Y'all keep it cute.